1. Turn on your camera. 2. Wait for red light to slowly flash. If not, please reset your camera. 3. Enter phone Wi-Fi settings, connect to a YSXXX hotspot. 4. Launch app and wait for a while. The device will be automatically added. Then tap OK button. 5. Make sure to select a 4G Wi-Fi network and enter the password. 6. During configuring network, you can return back phone settings and check if the phone connects to the same network, to 4G Wi-Fi network. If yes, you can return back the app page, wait for the network configuration to succeed. If not, you should manually connect to the 4G Wi-Fi network, then you can return back the app page and wait for the network configuration to succeed.